So if you're having any sort of lower back pain or any problems with your lower back, you're almost guaranteed that your psoas muscle is going to be tight. When you go and see a lot of therapists, depending on who you see, a lot of sports therapists will go straight for the psoas muscle to help it release when you're having lower back problems, hamstring problems. But unless you see a therapist, there's no other way for you to release this psoas muscle except if you're using a bull ball or something of that nature. And the psoas, for those people who probably don't know, a lot of us don't, if you go to the hip bone, come in 2 inches, and that's where your psoas muscle is. And the psoas is one of those muscles that refers pain. So if this psoas muscle is tight, you won't feel it here in the abdominal area where it's located, but it comes around and attaches to your lower back. So when that's tight, it's putting pressure on your lower back and it's causing a lot of problems. So this is a muscle that you should all get very familiar with and try and release it. What we're going to do now is I'm going to go down on the ground and I'm going to show you how to release the psoas muscle using your bull ball. So we're on the ground, we've got the 7-inch bull ball. You can release your psoas muscle with a 7-inch or a 5-inch bull ball. I prefer to use the 7-inch and I like to pump it up nice and hard, just because I have a bigger frame, but I switch them out so it doesn't really matter. Whatever's most comfortable for you. So what we're going to do is we're just going to roll around using a ball, get that into the psoas muscle. So rest your weight up on your elbows, roll around until you find it. The most sensitive area, that'll be the greater trigger point to help release that muscle. And once you're in position, draw the navel into the spine, engage the core, and help use the ball to push up into the psoas and get bigger release. So now once I'm in position, core engaged, and I'm resting my weight on my elbows. If I want more, if I need some more pressure, I can push down and put more weight onto the psoas. And once we're there, I'm going to dig my toes into the ground like a runner start, and with the exhale, I'm going to push my heel back and I'm going to touch the wall. So, on the inhale. So we'll go inhale, exhale, pump it down. So I'm pumping that leg. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. As the muscle starts to release, if you want to just roll on the left or right until you get back on it again, get yourself situated. If you don't feel like you want to pump that leg, you don't have to. It might be enough just for your own body weight sitting there. So do what's comfortable for you. But once you've done that left side, take your ball out, put it across to the right side. You should always be trying to work things evenly. So again, I'll come around, I'll find the most sensitive spot where that trigger point is, where the psoas hit just above the hip flexor. Get myself situated, draw in the navel, engage the core, and then on the inhale, just pump that leg. While you're pumping that leg, don't forget to continuously draw the navel into the spine. Now if you're having back problems, this muscle's definitely tight. If we can back that muscle off and release it, you're going to get some relief in your lower back. And if we combine it with the other movements, releasing the hamstring, the quad and the glutes, you're going to be well on your way.